name, which is Yud Lamed Yud. One of them is Mizmor LeDavid, number 29. You say at the end, Hashem Lamabul Yashav. You know that part? You want to bring a Siddur, I'll show you exactly where it is. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, we say it every Friday night.
Ken. If you know, I don't have to open it. But you know Mizmor LeDavid. It's a number, it's Kapitel 29. At the end it says, Hashem Lamabul Yashav, right? Hashem Oz Lamoiten, Hashem Verach Tamo Shalom. The abbreviation of Hashem Lamabul Yashav is Yud Lamed Yud. Then at the end, you have another Mizmor Shir L'Yom HaShabbat, right? And then Hashem Lavash Geut Lavesh. And at the end, right? You following me?
Yeah.
At the end of this Perek Tehillim, what does it say?
Hashem was, no wait, before that.
No. This is the number 29.
Right.
And Hashem. No. You're looking. You have, no. You have that's Mizmor Shir L'Yom HaShabbat, Tov L'Hodot L'Hashem. אחר כך, at the end of that, you'll see Hashem Le'orech Yamim. Right? We don't need the Siddur. These two times is the abbreviation of Yud Lamed Yud. When you saying that verse, you concentrate on somebody so strong, you have the power in that point to pull their neshama out of the klippah. On Erev Shabbat. Now I know you're in the minyan, it's too fast, everybody's zooming, you want to be with the minyan, you want to answer Kaddish. If you ever go to one of these synagogues that you know the tzaddik is sitting in the corner, you'll see he's like an hour after the minyan. They meditate on that time. Hashem Lamabul Yashav. You concentrate on the person, you can concentrate on yourself. If a person is in the klippah and he can't get rid of something, you meditate on yourself and you're saying Hashem Lamabul Yashav, you concentrate on that person, you have the power, this is from Kabbalah, to take that neshama out of the klippah and try it on people that you love. You'll see a difference in them. So you can't really come to a person and tell them, do please. You know what David HaMelech says? Im tamim titamam, im ikesh titpatal. Im tamim, if somebody comes to you very, tamim is innocent. If somebody comes to you in an innocent way, you have to be tamim, true with him. Im ikesh, if somebody is strong, titpatal, come like this. Titpatal is come with all sorts of different angles. You know? Don't go straight. Go, in Hebrew, tetachmen. Trick that person. So you have to do whatever you need to do to save your loved ones because you know the truth.